Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz and today we are doing cherry coated makeup. I already done my base, so that includes concealer, foundation, contour. Only thing left to do is really lips, cheeks, and eyes. And we're going to start off with the eyes for cherry coated. I'm going to start off with some primer. This is Anatasia Beverly Hills. Rub it on the back of my hand just to kind of get it even a little bit all over my lid. Really trying to spread that out. I didn't want it fully on there because I don't want it to be like stark white. I'm going in with the Gemini 2 palette. I just think those are really tones. With the brown, I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. I'm using a blending brush. They already just kind of apply that and help diffuse it. For my eye shape, I'm really focusing on creating like this V shape, like kind of going in, but leaving this lid space a little bit more open and then taking it out. That first shade was called Boy Mom. Next one I'm going to use LX Queen. It's like a rich burgundy shade. I'm going to go in with a different brush. I'm going to go into the shade Lovesick. And then I'm going to pack that one on next. That's really going to give us that like cherry. This completely went in a different direction than I thought it would. I'm not upset about it, but it's like definitely not what I envisioned. It came off darker than I think I thought that brown was. That brown was quite dark. With that previous shade and just buff that and just really cleaning this up right here. I'm going to take a face powder. This is NARS. This is in the shade Seafront. I'm going to take that and apply that right on top. Lost a little bit of that red, so I'm going to go back in. And adding Seafront really kind of brings it back down, kind of really softens the look. Let's top them off with mascara. This is the KVD full sleeve mascara. It's one of my favorites. Looks much better. Zoom out so we can do cheeks and lips. I'm gonna do a custom mix for blush today. So I'm gonna do two Rare Beauties. This one is Grateful, which is a really bright red, and then Faith, which is a deep purple. Probably should have did a thicker brush, but this is fine. This one's like a little too loose. It's not as firm. It's not dense enough to like really spread that product the way I want it to. I'm gonna use a Rare Beauty brush. They are literally the best for applying their blushes. Look as pigmented on the monitor, but it's quite pigmented. Anytime I go, I think I'm going a little too crazy, I just take a big brush and I just help blend everything together. So for these lips, I'm gonna start off with a dark lip liner. This is Juvia's Place Cocoa Latte. Vieve Lara. I really like this formula because it kind of gives like a powdery matte finish. I take the shade from Fenty, I Woodn't, to help blend these two together. And then lastly, finishing it off with my favorite lip gloss, Cherry Vanilla by Lawless. And there you have it. That is my cherry coated cherry coated look. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, leave it down below. I will see you in the next one. Bye.